guys. Oo, time check natin, it's 5:01. Uy, 5:01 talaga naman ha. Oo. Shout out to everyone. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Ayan, baka may iba pa kayong request guys ha. Oh, wag kayong wag kayong mahiya. Total andyan na naman 'yan eh. Oo. Ito. Saan ba 'to? Ito, Somewhere Down the Road. Let me try to sing this one for you. Another acoustic cover song for you. Somewhere Down the Road.
Isang maligayang Chucky Mother's Day sa mga pinaka-favorite na mga bata.
Alright. Somewhere Down the Road by Barry Manilow, and it goes something like this. Welcome to Acoustic Lounge. This is Mix D. Yes, Barry Manilow. And we had to ride low at the wrong time, and guess I'll always knew inside, and I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if they calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter where, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Sometimes goodbyes are not forever. It doesn't matter if you're alone, I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. You have to go out on your own so you can find your way back home. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter where, but somewhere down the road, I know that the heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Letting go is just another way to say I'll always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we've only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. 'Cause somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Oh, diba? Somewhere down the road. Baka naman, baka meron pang pag-asa somewhere down the road. Ayan, shout out to everyone.